Men du är en amerikan, så du är så duktig på att stå på scenen. Du älskar att stå på scenen. Well, it's not like I came out of the womb that way. I mean, I've done a lot of work on this. Men alla amerikaner älskar att stå på scenen. Ni är så bra på att presentera. Ni har en naturlig begåvning. But, it's actually not that true. Loads of Americans struggle to get up in front of crowds. Men nej, ni älskar publiken. Alla så duktiga, vi är så dåliga. Look, I've heard this from a lot of Swedes and other Europeans. You have the wrong view of Americans. You think, we just love to present. And I got to tell you this. Men älskar du inte att presentera? But I like it, but it took some work. And I got to tell you this. I just ran a session with 40 Americans. And I kind of wish you and all your friends could have eavesdropped on this session, because 40 Americans, everyone was terrified. Not one person wanted to volunteer or get on the stage or be in front of each other, because we are all human. Va? Serious? Yes, I'm serious. We're all human. We're all afraid of failing, of being judged, of being kicked out of the group, of all these fears. It's part of being human, and Americans have it too. We're just better at faking it. Oi. Yep, I know. It's big news. But I want to let you know, all these fears, they're all mind-made, and we can all get over them and get past them. It just takes a little work, How do you say that in Swedish? Mr. Champalita. Yeah, exactly. You must kämpa lite, okay? And we can bust through all these mind-made limits. Kul. Jag ska kämpa. Hej då!